Hello, this is Pawan Jaiswal. Today we are going to see a question from CryptArithmetic. CryptArithmetic. This is being asked in Infosys, TCS, eLitmus, a very commonly asked question, as well in Accenture sometimes. Let's try to see how this question has to be solved. It is said that each letter is occupying a single digit, that is from 0 to 9, and no two numbers represent the same letter. Like, for example, E stands for 5, so E cannot be 4. He said N, N, N. When we add, we get a letter called E. O, O, O to get the letter called N. Same fashion, once again, if you add O, 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 it makes U, and N, M, S, it makes June. So noon plus moon plus soon have to be giving June. So what is the value of J plus U plus N plus E? This is what is asked in the question. Here, let's try to put the N value as 0. 0, 0, 0. We all know that it makes the addition of 0, but as we know that when N represents 0, so E can't be 0, so our trial is wrong. Now let's try to put in trial called N as 1, 1, 1, which makes 3. Here E value is 3 and N value is 1. Now as we know N value is 1, let's try to copy the N value here as 1. So we have to understand that which 3 digits we have to add so as to get 1. So it is obviously 7, 7, 7, which makes 21. So we are getting 1 back. So we can just make a trial that O value stands for 7, which makes 1 and 2 carrying. So till here we have no problem, as our trial is going to be successful. Now as we know, O value stands for 7. 7, 7, 7, that makes 21 plus 2 makes 23. 3 plus 2 carry. But students, here we have a little problem. As we know that E value stands for 3, so here also we are getting U value 3, which is again a problem. As I said that no two numbers represent the same letter. Let's try to do it once again with 2. Here 2 plus 2 plus 2, which has to be 6. Now as we all know that N value stands for 2, so think of 3 numbers which adds up to 2, that is 4, 4, 4, which makes 12. So we're getting 2 back. So let's try to assume that O value stands for 4, 4, 4, that is 12, and 1 is carrying. As we all know that O value stands for 4, 4, 4, which again makes carrying 3 and 1. Dear students, till now we have no problem. Let's try to move forward and try to check here. Now we have to guess the value of N, M, S so as to make it J. Let's try to go to basics now once again. The digits which we have used so far: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of all these 10 digits, we have used so far 2, 3, 6 and 4. And the remaining digits are 0, 1, 5, 7, 8, 9. In these remaining digits, we have to make a trial for N, M and S. We cannot keep this value as 0 because it is a starting digit. As you all know that starting digits cannot be 0. Dear students, here now let's try to see the values of N, M, S. Here the N, M, S cannot be higher values, because if you add 8, 9 or 7, it is adding up. 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 7 makes 24, plus 1 25. So if you might think that here you have 5 and here you have 2, as you have no carrying here, so this concept is wrong. So we have to choose the minimum values of the remaining, that is 1, 5, 7. So the minimum values are 1 and 5. N value is 2, which is already said. This is 1 or this is 5. 2 plus 1 plus 5, which makes 8 plus 1 9. Here this is a single digit, so it doesn't create a problem now. Now this is a correct answer. The value of June is 9326, so we have to say 9 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6, which adds up to 20. So the option B is the correct answer. Thank you.